Hello everyone, myself Rahia Gadiwan, yet third sem, KLE Society, Srimati YG Kulegude, College of Education, Athni. Today I am going to give a presentation on correlation of mathematics with other subjects. So let us start with contents. Contents. First one, meaning of correlation. Second one, definition of mathematics. Third one, types of correlation of mathematics with physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, astronomy. Next, importance of mathematics in our daily life. And last is conclusion. So let us see meaning of correlation. The term correlation in its simplest form means connect or to be connected. To be more precise, correlation means mutual relations of two or more things. But correlation in teaching indicates a technique which show the reciprocal relationship between various subjects of the curriculum. So next is mathematics is the gateway and key to all science. Bacon. According to Kothari Commission, we cannot overstress the importance of mathematics in relation to science, education and research. This has always been so, but at no time has the significance of mathematics been greater than today. So this is said by Kothari Commission. Next is definition of mathematics. The subject in which we never know what we are talking about nor whether what we are saying is true. Russell. Mathematics is the indispensable instrument of all physical researches. Kant. Mathematics is the queen of science and arithmetic is the queen of all the mathematics. Gauss. Mathematics is the gateway and key to all science. Bacon. Mathematics is way to settle in the mind a habit of reasoning. Locke. These are some of the definition. Next is correlation of mathematics to other subject. So let us see the correlation of mathematics with other subject. How mathematics is correlated with other subject. First is correlation of mathematics with physics. So how this mathematics is correlated with physics. Mathematics gives final shape to the rule of physics. It presents them in a workable form. Mathematical calculation occurs at every step in physics. Charles' law of expansion of gas, law of motion, liquid pressure is based upon this mathematical calculation. Next one is correlation of mathematics with chemistry. How this mathematics is correlated with chemistry. Let us see. Mathematics is an indispensable tool for a better understanding of chemistry. In the world of J.W. Miller, it is almost impossible to follow the latest developments of physical or general chemistry without a working knowledge of higher mathematics. Mathematics gives form, shapes, and definiteness to the properties of matter. In chemical compound, the constituent elements are combined in a definite ratio. Next, in a chemical reactions, the chemical equations are balanced by balancing the number of atoms on either side of the equations. The structure of an atom, the atomic weight, the valency of an element are all mathematically based. The amount of heat generated in a chemical reaction are not empirical but mathematical based. This is how chemistry and mathematics are correlated. Next is correlation of mathematics with biology. How this mathematics is correlated with biology. First paper that is Mendelian wrote on his discovery of Mendelian's law was called Mathematics of Peace. Rate of respiration, transpiration, normal weight calculation, caloric and nutritive value of food is calculated using mathematics. The growth in the weight of infant up to the 9 month is calculated using this mathematics. This is how the mathematics is correlated with biology. Next is correlation of mathematics with engineering. How this mathematics is related with engineering. Let us see. Most engineering student interacts with mathematics in a similar way. It forms the basis for all engineering courses. Mathematics used in engineering is in the area of differential equation, integration, probability, algebraic geometry, etc. In every field, of engineering, mathematics is used. So, in this way, the mathematics is very useful in engineering. Next is correlation of mathematics with astronomy. Let us see the correlation of mathematics with astronomy. Mathematics is used in astronomy to calculate routes for satellite, rocket, and space probes. Mathematics is used in global position system for transmitting message when data is compressed and for coding the image and element modeling to build spacecraft. Astronomer uses mathematics all the time. It is used to perform calculation when we look at the object in the sky with telescope. This is how the astronomy and mathematics are correlated. Next is mathematics in everyday life. So let us see how this mathematics is used in everyday life. So first one is for better problem solving skill. The mathematics is very useful. Second is mathematics help you with your finance. It helps to understand the world better. Mathematics makes you a better cook. This is some of the importance of mathematics in our daily life. And last is conclusion. Modern civilization is very much influenced by the development of mathematics. So here we can conclude that mathematics provide perfectness to all science. In addition to science, mathematics makes a direct relationship with language and literature and science-oriented research. So this is about the correlation of mathematics with other subjects. Thank you one and all.